Kuria kabira rero nigenda mbenke yabasaye yarorekanire gwecokia Kw'Abaaki buna Abaaki Chikura ase ebituo bye chibunge au imensitu ya Kenya. Umwe MCA bwe ward ya Marani Dennis Ombachi amona Thomas Obare kurwe ward ya basi Boitangare nigo basabira basaye gwecokia asobonge na Kw'Abaaki buna Abaaki Chikura erikwene buna nko bakira bari ekura abarayi barabakonye chinga ketura chigutwara obochori obonene bwo mwaka w'echilifu 2022.
Is Obare Thomas, MCA for Bobasi Boitangare in Bobasi constituency, Kisii County. I want to appreciate the work that is being done by the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. They started the voter registration, continuous voter registration exercise yesterday. But I want to speak to the young people who have had serious issues on governance that from what we've seen, from the figures we are seeing from the registration centers at the constituency level, there's a very low turnout of voters, young voters to be registered. I want to ask the young people who believe that they have a place to or a role to change our country, that they should come out in large numbers and register themselves so that they can be able to vote in 2027. There has been questions on whether the young vote will change the political dimensions of this country. I believe that the young people have a voice. Looking on what is happening through the internet, through TikTok, through Facebook, through WhatsApp, the young people of this country have resolved that they have to change the governance of the country. But they can only do that if they register as voters. That is why I take this opportunity to ask all young people in this country to come out in large numbers and register as voters so that we can be able to change our country.
First of all, I want to thank IEBC for the reconstitution, and now the new chairman is up and running. So I want to take this opportunity to urge all people who have not taken votes to go and register, because it's through the registration that you can determine the leadership you want or you don't want. And a lot of noise that we hear can only be determined if we take votes to go and vote.